Hello and welcome again. In this video, we are going to understand what is version control. Imagine you want to create a calculator in Python. On day 1, you start by writing a simple function that adds two numbers and you save this file as calculator version1.py. On day 2, you think your calculator could be more useful if it could also perform subtraction. So you add a subtract function and save this version as calculator version2.py. On day 3, you decide to expand your calculator even further by adding multiplication and division functions. You update your code again and save it as calculator version3.py. Now, on day 4, you want to show your calculator program to your friends. But you do not want to show them the divide function because it's incomplete, as you have not added a condition where a number cannot be divided by 0. But now you are stuck with three different files: calculator version1.py, calculator version2.py, and calculator version3.py. You now face a challenge. You have three different files with different combination of functions. You need to create yet another file with just sum, subtract, and multiply functions. You might accidentally delete the wrong function. And what if you need the divide function again later if you delete it for now? This is a common problem in programming, and it gets worse when you are working on bigger projects. When you have multiple people working together, you need to track who changed what and when. You want to try new ideas without breaking existing code. You need to get back to an older version, let's say. This is where version control comes. Think of version control like a personal assistant or a tool that tracks all the changes you make. It maintains a complete history of your work. It lets you easily jump back to any previous version and it shows exactly what changed between each versions. Now, there are different version control systems, and we are going to learn about the most popular and widely used one called Git. Git is a popular version control system that helps software developers and tech companies manage their code. It's the most widely used version control system in the world. It's like a time machine for your code. You can see how your project looked at any point in time. You can easily track and control all the changes in your project, as we will see in the coming videos. But Git alone is not enough because Git is a local tool. You can install it on your computer and use it. But what if you want to collaborate with others on your project? What if you are away from your computer and you want to work on your project from somewhere else? You cannot take your computer everywhere, right? That's where GitHub comes in. You can upload your project on GitHub and then work on it from anywhere you want. You can also collaborate with others using GitHub. We will learn in depth about GitHub in the later videos. For now, we will be learning about Git in depth. We will start with the installation of Git on our computer. So for more on that, I will see you in the next video.